In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Smart Chips here in Google Sheets. Using Smart Chips is a great way to integrate other apps within Google Sheets. Let's say you have the email address of someone that you are going to be meeting at a later time today. With the email address that you have, you can turn it into a Smart Chip by right-clicking on it, selecting Smart Chips right here, and select Convert to People Chip. Once you've done that, that email now has turned into a Smart Chip that you can do data extraction. So if you click on it and go to Data and select Data Extraction, you have some of these options that you can extract from that email alone. So the data that you can extract from each chip would depend on what is available. So for this chip, the email and the name are the only ones that I can extract. So if I click on Name and select Extract, it will give me its name. Another type of chip that you can integrate into your Google Sheets would be the File chip. So one way to add a Smart Chip would be to add the @ sign. So you have the different type of chips and options that you can choose from. The files, dates, calendar events, components like drop-downs and ratings, and your media. Now for this one, I want to integrate a file from Google Docs, and there it is. So if I wanted to extract some data over here, I can just hover over it and click on Data Extractions. If I click on that, here are some of the data that I can extract: the file name, the MIME type, and the URL. Now if I go to the file name and the URL and extract, they will be right here. Another fun chip that you can integrate into Google Sheets would be your Place chips. So if you go to Insert and select Smart Chips right here, you have the different type of chips that you can add. Let's select Place. Now if you do this, we have the @ sign and start typing an address. And there you have it. Now if we hover over this chip, it will give us a cute little preview of the address. And if we click on View Directions, it will look like this. And if you type in or choose a starting point, it will show you the directions. And finally, if you just want to add a quick rating, the easiest way to do it would be a Smart Chip rating. If you just right-click on it and go to Smart Chips, select Rating, and you can add a rating of 0 to 5. And those were just a few ways on how to use Smart Chips here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.